Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stock market today tumbles as fears of lower hawkish Fed policy bite. Investing.com reduced tops Thursday, which is down by falling energy and tech stock, with the latter pressured by rising treasury yields as investors price in higher for longer Federal Reserve interest rate hikes to call inflation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.6% or 173 points. The Nasdaq was down 1.4% and the S&P 500 fell 1.1%. Microsoft Nasdaq MSFT fell more than 2% to lead the decline in big tech as the 10-year Treasury yields continue to fall with 15-year highs on bets of more hawkish Fed rate hikes after inflation data earlier this week surprises to the upside. A 75 basis point rate hike next week is almost priced in, according to Investing.com's Fed Rates Monitor tool, but the upside inflation seen earlier this week and the ongoing stretch in the labor market have some betting on higher for longer rates. The upside surprise in inflation, coupled with the recent improvement in growth momentum and an uptick in labor demand, have led us to revise our outlook for the Fed once again. Jeffers said in a note forecasting the Fed to hike until its benchmark rate reaches 4.6%. Better than expected jobs claims and retail sales data on Thursday showed that the labor market remained tight and consumer spending continues to be resilient. Energy was also a big drag on the broader market as oil prices fell more than 3% as energy demand fears persisted following the International Energy Agency's warning oil demand will likely wane in the final quarter of the year. The Fund Energy Corporation's NYSE DVN, Valerie Energy Corporation NYSE VLO, Phillips 66 NYSE PSX were among the biggest decliners in the sector, with the latter down more than 4%. Real stocks, however, were mostly higher, sidestepping the broader market meltdown after the White House struck a tentative deal between the freight rail operators and their unions to avert a rail strike that could disrupt full supplies. Norfolk Southern NYSE and SC and Union Pacific Corporation's NYSE UNP were in the green, but CSX Corporation Nasdaq CSX was down more than 3%. In crypto-related news, Ether fell more than 5% after its long-awaited network upgrade or merge was completed. Following the upgrade, Ether moved on from the proof-of-work consensus, the existing meeting-driven method, to validated transactions on the Ethereum network, to a new proof-of-stake consensus. Wall Street tumbles amid Fed tightening jitters, economic rumblings. New York readers Wall Street and sharply lower on Thursday, extending its lows in late afternoon trading as a raft of economic data failed to alter the expected course of aggressive tightening by the Federal Reserve amid growing warnings of global recession. After the bell, FedEx Corp NYSE FDX tumbled 14.5% after the package delivery company said its fiscal first quarter results were hit by global volume softness and withdrew its financial forecast, saying it expected further deterioration of business conditions. FedEx warning sends shares of Rival United Parcel Service NYSE UPS down 5.7% in expected trade. Earlier in Thursday's trading session, the benchmark S&P 500 closed a higher above 3,900, seen by many analysts as a key technical support level that has been tested several times over the past 2 weeks. Interest rate sensitive banks help soften the blue chips down's decline. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.